Hey guys, welcome back to Math in Miss Ball's bedroom. Unfortunately, my camera, the one that's on me, is not acting right today. I'm not sure what's going on. So unfortunately, you don't get to see my face, but you do get to see my hand. So there I am. Today we are going to do, for our number of the day, we are going to do the big numbers. Let's do the big numbers. So go ahead and find this page, the one that has the three 10 trains on it. Down at the bottom, it's got 3 10 frames. We're going to do a big number today. I think you guys are ready for it. So if you don't have this page, go ahead and hit pause, go find it, and then come right back to join us. All right, so I think I would like to do the number 23. Let's do 23. So a 23 looks like this. It's a 2 and a 3, okay? So what numbers come after 23? So let's go ahead and start at 23 and count up. What comes after 23? 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so now let's think about what comes before 23. So let's look at our number pattern again. We're going to look at the last number, which is our ones, our extra ones, and we're going to count down. Okay, so 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and what comes before 1? 0. But what number is in front of all those? A 2. Because we're talking about 20s. So you can see that 20, 21, and 22 come before number 23. Now, looking at the number 23, the first number, just like our numbers in the teens, represent the groups of 10. So how many groups of 10 are there? There are 2 groups of 10. So you're going to just color one 10 frame, or I'm sorry, 10 train, and then another 10 train because there's 2 of them. There's 2 sets of 10. And how many extra ones are there? 3. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. All right, so we're going to tally this. And remember, when we're counting, every 5th number gets a cross. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So you've got 4 sets of 5 here and then 3 by themselves. All right, so let's go ahead and write the word. So it's 2 different words. It's 20 and then 3. So we're going to write the word 20 and then the number for the word 3. 23. All right, so down here it says tens and ones. How many groups of 10 were there? There's 2 groups of 10, and how many extra ones? 3. All right. So let's go ahead and slide up, and they want to know if the number is even, odd, or even. So here's the number here, 23. Now I'm going to remind you guys which numbers are odd and which numbers are even. And remember, you're always and forever going to look at the last number. You're not going to look at the first number. You're going to look at the last number, and that's going to tell you if it is odd or even. All right, so your odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Your even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So what is this 3 right here? Is it even or odd? Again, your odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And your even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Yep, it's odd because it is a 3 at the end. All right, so now we're going to show it on the 10 frames. How many groups of 10 did we have? We had 2 groups of 10. So I'm going to color one 10 frame and 2 10 frames. And how many extra ones did we have? 3 extra ones. Just like that. Okay? Now they want us to draw 23 of something. Oh man, I think I'm going to do circles. That's the fastest thing I can draw. So I'm going to do 23 circles. You ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I kind of made it look like 10 frames. I kept them in those nice neat rows so it's easier to count. But there is your number of the day. I wanted to go a little bit bigger, make it a little harder for you guys. So what number? 23. All right, we are going to get started on this page in math today. Now, it is comparing addition and subtraction. So if you look at these symbols here, this one is a plus sign. That means you are joining them together. This one is a minus sign. It means you are taking them apart. Okay, so let's take a look at the addition. You see that the first set has how many? 3. How many in the second set? 1. How many all together? 4. Okay? All right, let's slide down here. Same set of cubes, right? You've got these 3 red and a blue. You've got these 3 red and a blue. However, the sign has now changed. It is no longer joining them. It is taking some away. So this number is how many did you start with? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to begin. How many did they take away? 1. How many remain? 3. So let's go ahead and read these 2 math sentences. Are you ready? 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Now, does anybody notice the pattern between these 2 math sentences? All right, look here. We start with a 4 here. We end with a 4 here. We start with a 3 here. We end with a 3 here, and the 1 remains in the middle. I wonder if all of our math sentences will look like that. Let's go take a look. All right, we'll start up here at the top. Number 1, the apple. Notice on the first math sentence, it has that plus sign. So we are joining them together, okay? So our first set, draw a little line here. You don't have to, I'm just drawing a line so you can see my 2 sets. My first set has how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my second set has how many? 2. Now we need to find out how many in all. So we're going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They got it right. Okay, so now down here they're giving us a minus sign, which means we are separating the 2 groups. We're taking some away. Remember, when you're subtracting, the first number is how many in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and how many are we taking away? Just 2. And how many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, did the pattern stay the same for this one? 5, 5, 7, 7, and the 2's are in the middle. How funny. All right. Oh man, they've taken away our answers. They have taken away our answers. We have to find the answers. Remember, the first one has the addition symbol, the plus sign. We are joining the two sets together, okay? So we've got our first set is red and our second set is blue. How many is in our first set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and how many in our second set? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to see what it is all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, a 10 is a 1 and a 0. All right, so down here, we're going to be doing some subtracting. The number when you subtract is all together first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 altogether. How many are they taking away? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same pattern. 6, 6, 10, 10, 4 remains. It's probably a good way to check yourself too if you get a number that doesn't match on these problems. All right, so here's our two sets. We are doing addition. We are joining them together. Let's count our first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our second set, 2. And let's see how many all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. All right, so this one we are separating them. We are taking our sets apart, but we have to start with how many in all. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to begin with. How many are we taking away? 2. And how many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did it again. Alrighty, and our last set of math sentences. I'm going to go ahead and draw your line here so you can see the two sets. I'm going to go ahead and trace my symbol so I know what I'm doing. I'm doing addition, which means I'm putting my two sets together. My first set is red. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 red. My second set is blue. How many blue? Only 1. Now, do we need to recount these or can we answer this one in our head? 8 plus 1 equals what? What's 8 and 1 more? 9. Very good. All righty. When you're subtracting, remember you take how many in all first. That's what you start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to begin. How many are we taking away? Just 1. And how many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Same pattern. Good job. Alrighty. We are not going to do the back today. If you want to do the back with Mom and Dad, you can. That is completely fine by me. So that is all I have for you guys today. I'm going to put my hands here so you can see me. I feel like we're connected. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a great rest of your Thursday. We will not have math tomorrow. You won't see a video of me tomorrow. But if you go visit our kindergarten webpage, there is a link to the video I would like for you to watch. Okay? So today's the last day for math of this week. Then we'll finish up our math chapter next week with a few more lessons. But tomorrow, I do want you to go click on the link on our kindergarten website and watch that video. Okay? I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you for reading tomorrow. All right. I love you. Bye.